Hello my dear diamonds. In the last class we are completed 9.4 and here we'll go to 9.5, and in the last previous class, I think in the factorization chapter, and we discussed some of the identities. I think you remember a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square, just you have to replace here minus 2ab. Okay, a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. X plus a into x plus b is x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Okay, all we already discussed in the factorization chapter. Again in 9.5, this 9.5 exercise is truly based on the same identities. Okay, this is 9.5 first main, this is 9.5 second main exercise. 9.5 first main is based on first identity. 9.5 second main is based on second identity. 9.5 means, this means you have to remember identity first. If you don't know the identity, it's very difficult to find out the result. Okay, we'll go one by one. 9.5 first main, first one. Okay, here is the first main. 9.5 first main, first one. This is all the 9.5 first main, first problems are based on identities only. Okay, first main problem, x plus 3 into x plus 3. How many x plus 3 are there? 2 are there. I'll write this. Same binomials are there, right? I'll write this one as x plus 3 whole square. Why? Here one. X plus 3 whole square. Now, I got in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, now here is identity. Here a means x, b means 3. Apply identity. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, just you have to apply the identity for this a plus b whole square. X plus 3 whole square means x square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now simplify this one. X square means x square plus 2x, 2 into x into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6x plus 3 square is 9. This is the answer. Okay, next one is also same problem. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. I'll write this one as 2y plus 5 whole square. This is a plus b whole square. Now I'll use the identity. A square plus 2, a value is 2y, 2a, b value is 5 plus b square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square equals to, apply square for both 2 and y. 2 square is 4, y square, 4y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20y plus this is 5 square is 25. This is the answer. Okay, next one is 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. This identity, which identity you have to apply here? This identity you have to apply. Yes or no? 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. This can be written as 2a minus 7, 2 are the right whole square. A minus b whole square. Now express. Use the identity. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Right? Here minus sign is there means here you have to consider minus sign. This much. Only difference is for plus and minus In plus 2ab will get. In minus 2ab. 2a whole square 4a square. This is minus 2 2s are 4 7s are 28. A, this is plus 7 whole square 49. Okay, and this one 3 fourth one 3a minus 1 by 2 3a minus 1 by 2. Again same problem, there is no change. 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. Why means 2 are the here 1 here 1. Okay, 3a square minus 2ab 2a b is 1 by 2 plus b square 1 by 2 whole square. Here a value is 3a, b value is 1 by 2. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now here I will simplify this one. A 2 get cancels. What remains? This is 9a square. 3 square is 9 a square minus here 3a remains plus apply square for both numerator and denominator. 1 square 1 divided by 2 square is 4. This is the answer. Okay, next 1.1 m minus 0.4. Okay, 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. I think this problem is based on the identity of a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Yes or no? Yes, a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b, both are same. This identity a plus b into a minus b equals to what? A square minus b square. Here a value is same both sides. A value is same, b value is also same. In between plus and minus. In this case, I have to use this identity. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. Okay. Here a value is 1.1 m whole square minus 0.4 whole square. A square minus b square. Okay. 1.1 m whole square is 1.21 m square minus 0.4 whole square 0.16. Okay, is the answer. Total in 9.5 first main 10 are there. 5 we discussed here. Remaining 5 you try. Any problem in remaining 5, you are facing any doubt, okay, in any step, you just clarify. Feel free, okay, and please you have to remember the identity. Okay, very simple. Just you have to substitute the value of a and b, you will get the answer. Okay, go through. Diamonds, already I told you, you have to remember the identities. Okay, please. And next, in 9.5 is truly based on x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Okay, and we'll go one by one. Just have to substitute the values in this identity. You have to remember identity. That's it. First one, x plus 3 into x plus 7. Here a value is 3, b value is 7. This much only. Then you have to substitute the value in this one. Here x value is x only. X square plus x is x only. And a plus b means a value is 3, b value is 7. 3 plus 7 is how much? 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus a into b. 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. This can be written as x into 10 is 10x. Then the answer is x square plus 10x plus 27. How we got this 21 here? 3 7s are 21. Okay, this is the answer. Just go to substitute the a and b value in this one. Okay, and next one is also same. 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1. Here a value is 5, b value is 1, and x value is 4x. X square plus x into a plus b, 5 plus 1. A plus b, a value is 5, b value is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus a into b, 5 into 1, 5. Then this can be written as 4x whole square is, apply the square for both 4 and x. 4 square is 16. 16x square plus, solve this one. 4 into x, 4x. 4x into 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 x plus this is 5. This is the answer. Okay. What I am doing here, just I am substituting the a and b and x value in the identity of, that is x square plus x into a plus b plus a into b. Just you have to substitute the value. For that you have to remember the identity. Okay. And this is also same problem. I will just substitute the value to find out the answer. Here x value is 2x, x square plus x into a plus b, 5y plus 3y, 5y plus 3y plus a into b, 5y into 3y. You find out the answer. Okay. Again, next one is also same. Next one is also same. And I go for last one, fifth one. Here minus sign is there for fifth main. A value is 5, b value is minus 1, and x value is 4x. Here also 4x. X square plus x into a plus b, 5, a value is 5, b value is minus 1, okay, plus a into b, 5 into minus 1, correct? And this is equals to, apply square for both 4 and x. This is 16x square plus, here how much it means? 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 4s are 16. 16x, and this is plus into minus, 5 also 5. This is the answer. In second main, 8 are there. 5 we discussed here. Remaining 3 for you people. Okay. Same identity. There is no change. Only numbers. Okay. Change in next problems. So apply. Okay. This is all about 9.5 second main. 9.5 third main. 9.5 again is based on identity. Okay. A minus b whole square. You have to remember a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. First one, a value is b, b value is 7. A value is b square minus 2, a value is b value is 7 plus b square, 7 whole square is equals to b square plus 2 7s are 14b, so minus sign is there here, 14b plus 49. Why 49? 7 square is 14, 7 7s are 49. Okay. And here this is based on a plus b identity, a plus b whole square identity. This is a plus b whole square. A value is xy, a value is xy, and b value is 3z. A square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to, apply for this square for x and y both, x square y square plus, this is 2 3s are 6, 6x y z. Here xy variable, here z variable, x y z. You have to multiply. and this is 3 square is 9, 9 z square. Okay, this is the answer. And here in third main, a value is 6x square, b value is 5y. Is based on this identity only. A value is 6x square minus b a square minus 2ab. 2a, b value is 5y plus b square 5y whole square equals 2. Apply square for both. 6 square is 36. 36x square. 36x square. This is minus sign. 2 6 are. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. Here is a small mistake. Here a value is 6x whole square. 6x square, right? And this is also 6x square. And this becomes a value is 6x square. They are given here. Then this becomes apply square. This becomes 36. This 2 2s are 4. 36x raised to 4. And minus sign. 2 6 are 12. 12 into 5. 60. 60 x square y. 60 x square y plus 25 y square. Why 25 y square? 5 5 is 25 y square. Okay? This is the solution. And next one is here a value is 2 by 3m. B value is 3 by 2m. This is based on a plus b whole square. A square, okay, plus 2ab, 2ab plus b square. Okay, we'll simplify this one. First, here multiplication sign is 2 cancels, 3 cancels. Okay, and this is apply square for both numerator and denominator. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and m whole square is m square. And what we have to do here? 2ab, 2mn. And then you apply. This 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 by 4 m square. Here only we have to apply identities. In the identities we have to apply, substitute a and b values. Okay. Then after substituting, simplification. Okay, squaring, adding, subtraction. Minus sign is there means minus 2ab. Plus sign is there means plus 2ab. Okay. This is all about 9.5. Third win. 1 2 3 4 8 are there. Okay, remaining 2 homework for you people. Okay, here is my one small request. Use mask if you are going outside. Okay, and drink hot water. Per day 2-3 liters of water you have to drink. Okay, avoid dehydration. And please, if time permits, you will get the time and practice some maths problems and complete your prayer book. Don't waste your precious time. You are in home only, you are getting so much of time. Watch TV. I will not say don't watch TV. Okay? At the same time, you have to give some time for mathematics also. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes man perfect. One fine day you will become mathematician. Who knows? Okay? All the best, my dear mathematicians. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.